Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm Aisha Nazir and I'm going to start a new series of computer organization and architecture. So, what is computer organization and what is computer architecture? There is a famous saying that architecture implementation is organization. At that stage, you will be unable to understand, but hopefully at the end of this lecture, you will better understand the meaning of that saying. So, what we have to learn in this lecture is what is computer architecture and what is computer organization, and how we can say that architecture is an implementation of organization. So, let's get started. First of all, we have to understand what is computer organization. Computer organization is about the structure and behavior of a computer system which show to the user. Means if I am a user, how my computer structure and how it behaves on my commands. This is known as the computer organization. Computer organizations deals with low level. Low level means the internal functionality of the computer. Means the hardware of the computer. Means how the data travel inside the computer. What circuit design is using inside the computer. How the signals are sent and received inside the peripherals. How the ALU, IO units and memory are working. This all functionality working is known as the low level of computer. So computer organization deals with the low level working of the computer. Internal system of a computer also known as microarchitecture. So in this lecture we will focus how the microarchitecture works, what this terms means. Computer organization hidden from programmers. How the computer is working, what is the internal functionality, how the computer performs in response to a programmer command. This all things are hidden from the programmer. Programmer doesn't need to know about what circuits are using in this system, what are the adders, how the signals are transferring, and how the control unit and ALU are working inside the computer. A programmer doesn't need to know that. And how the extensions or additions of the system are working and how they are implementing. A programmer doesn't need to know that. So computer organization is hidden from the programmer. It's about physical components like circuit design. What type of circuit design in the computer use? What are the adders? How the signals are transferring between the interrelated components? How the peripherals are communicating with one another? So this all physical component information comes under organization umbrella. Computer organization about how exactly all the units in the system like CPU, ALU, CU, that is known as the control unit, and memory optimization units are working, how they are settled and how they are interconnected with one another, and how they are sending and receiving the data inside the computer. So computer organization is basically the internal functionality of the computer. Organization states the understanding of architecture. Architecture is basically the high level. So how we can understand the high level of computer? a programmer usually interact with the front end. So the front end, that is, we are calling it as high level. So computer organizes on the basis of the architecture. So different computers have the different organizations, the settlements of the internal components inside the computer, in different peripherals inside the computer. So the organization of peripherals inside the computer depends on the architectures. So organization basically defines the understanding of the architecture. We can understand the architecture using in the computer by viewing the organization of the peripherals inside the computer. So organization is done on the basis of architecture. According to the architecture, organization of components will be structured. Computer organization cater low-level design issues like what type of circuit design will used inside the computer according to the requirement of architecture, and how the signals will transfer from one peripheral to another inside the computer according to the architecture again, and how the peripherals will be interconnected with one another according to the architecture. Organization involves physical component like circuit designs, adders, signal, peripherals, CPU, ALU, memory optimizations, etc. So, in short, computer organizations refer to operational units like CPU, ALU, and their interconnection. How know CPU as a brain of the computer. So how this brain operational unit work inside the computer, and how it sends and receives commands from the other components, other peripherals of the computer of the CPU. Computer organizations covers hardware like CPU, memory, I/O units, and interconnection between them. As we have discussed earlier, that in the CPU, how the different devices connected with one another, how the system will receive the input through the input devices, and how it will produce the output through the output devices, and how the memory will be managed between the different units of the processing. So, and how they will interconnected with one another, this all mechanism will be organized under the organization. So hopefully you understand what is computer organization. So basically the internal working, the organization of internal peripherals, internal hardware is known as computer organization. So from a programmer point of view, from a user point of view, a programmer doesn't need to know about the internal working of the computer. So what is the concern of a programmer in a computer? The main concern of a programmer is related to computer architecture. So what is computer architecture? How it affects on computer organization? We will learn it in next part. So let's move to the next part. Thank you very much.